Today, we are launching the brand new ElegantThemes.com. This is a complete website redesign that reframes our membership value, brings to the forefront our core products, digs deep into Divi and all of its amazing features, and most importantly, greatly improves the membership experience for our current customers. This is something we've been working on for a long time, and we are really excited to finally show it to you. If you are a current customer, you'll be happy to find some great improvements to the website structure and some new additions to the members area. First off, we added an easily accessible login form to the navigation bar. We also made the menu contextual, so when you log in, you get new menu items and quick access to all account pages and the ability to log out. We also removed the pricing button and give you clearer call to action for finding and downloading our products. We also greatly improved API key management. Unlike before, you can now delete keys in addition to deactivating them. You can add labels to each key so that it's easier to remember which keys are being used on which websites, and we made it easier to click to copy keys and your username when setting up new websites. We also consolidated various account areas into new pages that are better labeled and easier to navigate. This is all wrapped up in a new design that's not only easier to use, it's a lot nicer to look at too. Outside the members area, we have refocused the website on our core products and brought Divi into the spotlight, making it clear just how dedicated we are to its success and just how transformative it has become for our members. Divi now has a top-level navigation spot, and within its menu are links to everything you need to know about what Divi has to offer. The Divi landing page has been greatly expanded, and it digs deep into every one of its amazing features. Even if you're an avid Divi user, exploring this page might surprise you with just a few features you didn't even know about. We hope you enjoy the new website, so take a look around and let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to check back next week for even more great Divi updates coming your way.